Black bears of Michigan's Upper Peninsula, ghosts of the forest by Peace Love Sunshine. When most people picture the wild heart of Michigan's Upper Peninsula, black bears often come to mind. These shy, powerful animals are more than just a symbol of wilderness. They're key ecological players, cultural icons, and increasingly, neighbors to both locals and visitors. Though elusive and rarely aggressive, black bears have a strong presence in the UP, shaping both landscapes and human habits. The UP is home to the majority of Michigan's black bears. As of 2023, the Michigan Department of Natural Resources, DNR, estimated 10,969 black bears in the Upper Peninsula, a 29% increase since 2012. By 2024, updated reports suggest the UP population has held steady and now approaches 11,000 bears, while Michigan's statewide total is around 13,000, with roughly 1,700 in the northern Lower Peninsula. In the UP, black bears thrive in large, mixed forests dotted with wetlands, berry patches, and rivers. They need both food and cover, and the region's mosaic of pine, hardwoods, and swamps offers exactly that. Their range is broad, and while they remain most active at dawn and dusk, the low human density in the UP means it's not unusual to spot one moving in daylight hours. Black bears are omnivorous opportunists. About 80–90% of their diet is plant material, nuts, berries, roots, and grasses. They also dig up insect colonies, raid wasp nests, and occasionally feed on carrion or young deer fawns. By consuming and dispersing berry seeds, they play a vital role in regenerating forest ecosystems. Bears hibernate through the harsh UP winters, entering dens in late November and emerging in April. Cubs, usually 2 or 3, are born in January while the mother is denayed. They remain with her for about a year and a half before setting out on their own. Though often portrayed as dangerous, black bears are generally shy. They avoid human contact unless food is involved, but once rewarded with an easy meal, they quickly learn to return. This is why managing human-bear interactions is as important as tracking bear numbers. Monitoring a large, wide-ranging, and secretive animal like the black bear requires creativity, and the Michigan DNR employs several complementary methods to track the population. One approach is hair snag surveys, where scent lures draw bears to stations surrounded by barbed wire. As bears investigate, tufts of fur catch on the wire, allowing researchers to extract DNA and identify individual bears without ever capturing them. Harvest data from hunters also provide valuable information. Hunters submit details about the sex, age, and location of harvested bears, along with a tooth sample that can be analyzed to determine age by counting growth rings, much like reading a tree. Additionally, a select number of bears are captured, tranquilized, and fitted with GPS radio collars, offering insights into home ranges, seasonal movements, denning habits, and survival rates. Finally, citizen reports, including sightings and nuisance complaints, are logged into statewide databases, helping researchers refine maps of bear distribution, especially as bears expand their range into the northern Lower Peninsula. By combining all these data sources, the DNR creates models that estimate the size and health of the population. These models inform hunting quotas, nuisance management, and long-term conservation planning. The presence of black bears in Michigan's Upper Peninsula means that both locals and visitors need to adapt their behavior. While attacks are exceedingly rare, food-related conflicts are common and preventable. Around homes and cabins, the Michigan DNR recommends securing garbage in bear-proof containers or storing it indoors. Removing bird feeders during the summer when natural food is abundant, thoroughly cleaning grills after use, using electric fencing to protect beehives and chicken coops, and picking fruit promptly from trees to avoid attracting bears. While camping or hiking, people should never leave food or coolers unattended, store food in bear-proof lockers, canisters, or hang bags high in trees, pack out or burn all cooking scraps, and make noise along trails to avoid surprising a bear. If a bear is encountered, the best strategy is to remain calm and avoid running, back away slowly while facing the bear, make oneself appear larger and speak firmly, and if the bear approaches closely, create loud noises or throw small objects to deter it. By following these practices, humans can coexist safely with black bears while helping the animals remain wild and wary. Black bears are more than statistics or management challenges. They hold a place in the cultural identity of Michigan's north. Curran, Michigan, even calls itself the black bear capital of Michigan, hosting an annual black bear festival. Near Newberry in the UP, Oswald's Bear Ranch operates as the largest black bear sanctuary in the U.S., caring for rescued bears while educating the public. Ultimately, the story of the UP's black bears is one of resilience. Through careful management, public education, and respect for the wild, Michigan has maintained a thriving bear population that continues to expand while coexisting with people. Black bears in Michigan's Upper Peninsula are often described as ghosts of the forest, present but rarely seen. Their population has grown steadily in recent decades, thanks to abundant habitat and science-based management. Researchers track them with DNA, collars, and harvest data, while residents and visitors are learning to live responsibly in bear country. These animals remind us that the UP is not just a place of rugged beauty, it's a living wilderness, where people and bears share the same space. By respecting their presence and practicing coexistence, we ensure that the black bear remains a vibrant part of Michigan's northern forests for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet.